Hi guys, it's Melody Lane and it's time for another mystery box. And this one has the Raspberry Cutie. If you've missed out on the Raspberry Cutie, it's time to get the box. It's available right now. You do have to have Cricut access in order to buy this box. Before I show you everything in this box, let me first say this box manufactured suggested retail price is actually $197. This box is $74.99, but if you have premium access, you're going to get 20% off that box. This contains 11 full-size boxes of infusible ink. You also get infusible ink pens. If you add more items to your box, you can get another 20% off the extra items with my code Melody Lane. My code normally gets 10% off, but until the end of June, it gets 20% off, but it doesn't work on the box. If you want to purchase this box, there is a link in the description below. Please click that link. I do get a small commission for that at no extra cost to you. Now you want to see what's in it? This box is full of infusible ink. This one is Distressed Rustic and comes with these 4 beautiful sheets. Next, you get Retro Ombre. You get 2 sheets of that striped one and then those other beautiful colors. And next we have Western Sweetheart. This is a great one with some denim in it and these other sheets all included in this box. And this one is called Jungle Safari. I think this one would be great for little boys. This next one is called Windbreaker. It looks like Windbreaker material. You get those 4 sheets. This one is called River's Edge. You get 2 boxes of the River's Edge with these awesome sheets. This one is called Patina. This one is so cool. I saw somebody do this on a mug. It was awesome. And this one's called Cosmic with these 2 great sheets. These pictures do not do justice to this. This is one of my favorites, carbon fiber. And the last of the sheets is Suntan. It just has 2 sheets of this brown suntan color. Last but not least is the set of infusible ink pens, the 0.4 pens. And remember, you get all these sheets of infusible ink plus 2 sheets of suntan color and that Raspberry Cutie. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know below if this is the kind of mystery box you like. Are you excited about infusible ink? Have you tried infusible ink yet? Now is your time to be able to try it and test it out. It's so much fun.